Sony Xperia Ace 3 release date is set to be June 15, 2022. The mobile will be available in various color variants. Sony, the Japanese company, adds a new model called Sony Xperia Ace 3 to its popular Ace series. This smartphone offers great features and specifications to users. The Sony Xperia Ace 3 comes with a 6.21-inch display along with 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution. Pixel density of 424 ppi. This phone has a 20:9 aspect ratio screen with multi-touch capacitive touchscreen, which protected by Corning Gorilla Glass V6, and a 16mm of colors display. The camera specifications of the mobile are also impressive that let you capture high-resolution images and videos. On the rear, the smartphone comes with a dual camera setup at the back. The main camera is 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels secondary camera with an LED flash. On front, the device has an 8 megapixels camera for taking beautiful selfies and making video calls. The Sony Xperia Ace 3 has an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC processor that is the latest flagship chipset on the market. A 2.84 GHz single-core Kryo 680, a 2.42 GHz tri-core Kryo 680, and a 1.8 GHz quad-core Kryo 680. For graphic handling, this phone also has an Adreno 660 GPU. This device is running on Android 11 operating system and is eligible for 2 operating system upgrades. The mobile comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage capacity that is expandable up to 512 GB via dedicated memory card slot. The Sony Xperia Ace 3 is powered from a 4500 mAh battery that charges through a USB Type-C port. This smartphone features a fingerprint sensor on the right side, and face unlock feature that works via front camera. In addition, this phone also included these features such as 5G, 4G VoLTE, dual SIM, Bluetooth 5, mass storage device, USB charging, GPS, NFC chipset, infrared, 3.5mm audio jack, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer and compass. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell icon to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.